Good morning students, welcome to our today's online session. How are you all? I believe you read the chapter which we took in our previous class. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter from your textbook. Take your textbook and listen to the video carefully.
The Hack Driver is an interesting story written by Sinclair Lewis. The story is about a young lawyer who is made to serve summons instead of practicing laws. He hates his job as sometimes he is beaten up. Once, he is directed by the law firm to serve summons to one Mr. Oliver Lutkins, who lived in a village called New Million. The young lawyer goes to the village with some expectations of village life, but he is disappointed. He meets a hack driver who is very helpful man according to him. Now look at this story in detail. So he reaches in the village where he has to serve summons to Oliver Lutkins, who is living in that village, New Million. The only agreeable thing about the village, New Million, for the author is the delivery man at the station who introduces himself as Bill Magnuson. Bill, the hack driver, offers to help the author by taking him around in his hack to find Lutkins. The author is impressed by the man's generosity as he needs to return by the afternoon train. So he was so happy that he found such a very generous person who is ready to help him. For the next several hours, Bill takes the author from one shop to another, but they keep missing Lutkins. The moment when this lawyer saw Bill had told him that just 1 hour before he saw Lutkins. Lutkins was there just 1 hour before. From there they are moving to a barber shop expecting to meet Lutkins there. But when they reach, Lutkins has left the place. So just like that they moved from one shop to another, but they keep missing Lutkins. The moment they reaches, just before the moment Lutkins leaves the places. The author doesn't mind it, but he enjoys listening to all the anecdotes that Bill tells him. At lunchtime, they have food prepared by Bill's wife while Bill describes the village and its people. The author tells that the place is better than the city. So the author had agreed to Bill that he will pay for each hour. Apart from that, Bill has made the author to pay for the lunch also, which he brought from his house. After lunch, they find out that Lutkins has gone over to his mother's farm, 3 miles north from where they are. They visit the farm where the old lady threatens both of them. So she was so angry that these people came looking for Lutkins. She was about to attack them. They managed to search the place, the whole house from outside, but do not find Lutkins there. The author returns to the city after paying Bill a sizable amount of money for the ride and the food. He is not much worried that he has not been able to trace Lutkins. The author has enjoyed the day with Bill, and his entertaining descriptions of New Million and its people make him consider setting up his law practice there in New Million. But the author's boss is unhappy with him. Since Lutkins is important to the case, the author is sent back to New Million the very next day with another man who has worked with Lutkins in the past. As soon as they arrive at the station, the author sees Bill laughing with Lutkins' mother, the lady who attacked them earlier in the previous day. On pointing out the helpful man to his companion, the author is shocked to learn that Bill Magnuson is none other than Oliver Lutkins. See, the previous day he was roaming around with Lutkins himself searching for Lutkins. Bill Magnuson was really Oliver Lutkins. An amused Lutkins asked the author to join him for another ride as there are still some people left who haven't met them. So Lutkins invites him to meet his neighbors whom he couldn't meet the previous day. So the story ends like that. So with a comic note. So the whole day the young lawyer was roaming around with Bill Magnuson or Lutkins himself in search of Lutkins. That's why even after searching for till evening they couldn't find Lutkins. So this is our story, a very interesting story. Read the text, download the notes and attend the test today itself. Till we meet in our next session, take care, bye-bye.